Hi, Solex Nation. It's so great to be here with you tonight. I am thrilled to share with you how I help others get the most out of using their AOScan technology. So the first step I want to share with you is to take some time to audit your life. What does this mean? Well, I want you to sit down and reflect on your health, your relationships, and even your business, and identify any areas where you may be experiencing some imbalances. Once you have those areas identified, you can then set goals on how to improve those areas of your life using your AOScan. Why does this matter? Well, I hear often from people that when they're first getting started with AOScan, that it's overwhelming. There's so much to choose from. Where do I start? Or people are so excited that they're tapping all the buttons and they're sending all the frequencies to themselves, but they're not being consistent with what they need. So by setting goals and identifying where you need support in your life, you will better be able to have focus and clarity on what programs to use within the AOScan. So now I want to share with you some ways that I help others use the AOScan in some unique and creative ways. Have you ever used the Spaces and Objects program? Did you know that you can send frequencies to your bank account, to your back office with Solex, to your credit cards, to your house? I had the most amazing experience this year thus far. We've had some wild storms in Houston, where I'm from, and I have been sending frequencies each time these storms come through to my house to protect us and keep us safe. I'm using Energetic Shield, Aura Builder, Love, Inner Peace, things like that. And time again, we have not lost power. The 2 times I didn't do it because I was out of town, we lost power for 8 hours. This scanner is so powerful, and you can support your home, your pets, your bed, your plants growing in your garden. There's so many ways you can send frequencies to anything with the Spaces and Objects program. Another one I love to share is using body systems to release emotions. So many of you are certified in different modalities to clear and release emotions. Run body system scans on yourself and others, and look at the emotional causes listed on the report. Then from there, use your tools that you have to clear those emotions and to help others do the same. Another thing is I really cannot stress enough using MindSync to help reprogram your subconscious beliefs, because you are powerful and you hold within you the innate ability to heal. With tools like the AOScan and all of our other wonderful products, you absolutely can turn your life around and return to thriving. Just start one program at a time, easy scan daily. Read your report. It's okay if you can't interpret it, but look at all of the areas that are out of balance. And then after your easy scan, then go use Cephi frequencies to support shifting those things back to balance. But it's important, as I mentioned in the beginning, to focus, have goals. Don't try to work on 10 different things at once, because you're going to overwhelm yourself and your system. And you really only need to be doing 1 to 3 things at a time. Start with those foundational things like sleep, which is so important for us to heal. Mood support, right? So you can get through your day and you're motivated to exercise and move and to do your mind sync. So I hope these help you. Have fun with it and don't overthink it.
Hi, I'm Melinda Love, a Solex quantum living advocate. The AOScan is advanced bioresonance frequency technology that we can use to scan and balance our energy anytime, anywhere, right from our own device. To learn more about this quantum wellness tool that's changing lives, go to aoscanqla.com. On this page, I provide you information about how it works, the 40+ years of science behind it, and how it came to be, information about the programs that you will receive access to with your subscription, diagrams, videos on how the scans work and what benefits you might receive. You'll find pricing information, a video about how to sign up, and my favorite product bundle that you can use to amplify your results with the technology. You'll also see real transformation stories and testimonials from other users. Check the video description for direct links, related videos, and how to contact me. I invite you to join the Solex community and start scanning and receiving the benefits of frequencies today. Thanks for watching.